the basic principle of our project is that the different sensor will detect the traffic and it will give the output. But if there is no traffic, then also it will set on the timer and we will get the output, so there will no accident on the road. So first we will see without traffic. So here our road 1 is on, after that road 2 is on, then road 3 gets the signal and road 4 gets the signal. And now in scenario 1, if there is any car or any vehicle is there on the road, sensor will detect and it will give highest priority to that road and the signal gets green, and it is very clear that car can pass by signal. Afterwards, if there is traffic on two roads and there is denser traffic on the other side of the road, the priority of that signal will high first. Afterwards, the sensor will detect another traffic and its priority will be second, like this. In this you can see we have attached all the LEDs to the digital pins and the priorities to the analog pin, and we have not used any specific sensor for this project. So this is the generalized project. You can use any sensor such as IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, or else PIR sensor, or you can also called motion sensor. So this is the circuit diagram. All the LEDs are connected through resistor, and through resistor it is going to connect to Arduino Nano. So this is the programming part of our project. In this I will divide this program into three parts. First, all the pins we are using. Second, all the priorities. And third, without priority. So first we will see all the pins we are using. We are using total 12 pins. These are the digital pins and these are all the analog pins. So all the digital pins is set to be as output pins. After that, I show you the without priority coding. If we don't give any priority to this through the sensor, so the road B will be open, afterwards road D will be open, afterwards road A will be open, and afterwards road C will be open. So in this, what is road BDAC? So BDAC, first in road A, so red light will be closed and green light will be high, and all the red lights of other signal will be high for 10 seconds. Afterwards, this of 1 second timer is given for yellow light. So only yellow light will be high for 10 seconds and we will get this out. So this is how all the roads will go through priority also. So if sensor reads the data, if sensor B and B2 sends the data, so road B will be open. If sensor D and D2 reads the data, so D will be open. If the sensor B and D, so the priority of this is higher over B. This is how only. If there is only one reading, you can see if there is one reading and there is two readings to this, so you will get only output to B. On the density of the traffic, you will get the output. So in this you can see these are the 4 signals, and we are not giving any priority to any signal. So one by one we will get the output. First it is 4, afterwards we get into 2, afterwards in signal 3 we will get the green signal, and in the last we will get in the 1. So in this condition I have given analog pin 7 external power source from Arduino Uno 5 volts, so my road 1 signal will glow green. So to get the signal of road to green, I have connected analog pin number 5 to 5 volts. So this is the output. So to get this output, I have connected analog pin number 2 to high, so I get output in road number 3. So for this condition I have put 5 voltage to analog pin 0, so I get output at road number 4 and signal goes green.